Alright guys, so we are over here at room 418 in the Candlewood Suites over here in Melbourne. Ooh, the thunder. And here we are. It's not so bad. Alright, so we first start off with a full-size refrigerator. Nice little kitchenette-ish. 2 hot plates. Plasticware. The cord's in the way. Sorry about that. You have a toaster. Cleaning materials. I will say it smells like mouthwash in here.
Mm-hmm. There's a closet.
There's the closet over here. Silverware. And then we have pots and pans. So
Turn the lights on.
I was hoping for a suite, but it's okay. I don't think this is a suite. Might be. I don't know. We'll see. So you have a nice little table, desk area, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, we were hoping for more chairs, like a lounge area. And then you have the bathroom right here as well. I do like how they have these up. I always like that because that way you don't have to worry about bringing your own shampoo and soap and stuff. But it's not a horrible room. It's not the bestest room.
I mean, it's cute. I think we're kind of used to having the other suites because of how you travel and stuff.
Yeah.
But I think the bathroom's pretty big considering. I think like if they would have cut it down a little bit, there would have been a little bit more space.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at it from this angle, the angles really suck.
Yeah.
But one thing about Melbourne, so Amber and I were talking about this on the way in. I'm gonna focus back on. Ooh, you almost just missed some lightning.
That's a pretty cool view.
Yeah. So Amber and I were talking on the way here. Cocoa Beach is really expensive. That's where the cruise terminal is. Melbourne is just 30 minutes south of Cocoa Beach. So this might be a good place for you to go to kind of just get ready for your cruise and all that kind of fun stuff. But we're going to sign off for now and kind of get ready because this weekend is going to be some fun stuff. I can't wait.
So excited, you guys. We have a lot planned.
Yes.
So if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking us out. And what else, Brian? Oh, if you can help us, please subscribe, share with your family and friends, because we're trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers, so that way we can go live on cool things that we do for you guys. Absolutely,
because we're really excited. Because one thing that we've been really wanting to do since we got here was what we're going to be showing for the next video.
Well, why don't you talk into the camera?
It's not because the pressure's on me now. No, we just got in from home, so we're just going to kind of chillax and then get some dinner. But until then, well, if you like this video, if you have any questions or any concerns, don't forget to comment, hit the like button, as Amber said, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
I have to show you guys. Look at how big these drawers are. There's 3 of them, and then you get a whole bunch of space on this side. Our stuff is up, and then we didn't show you this little area. There's plugins, USB, and then you get like a little shelf for a little bit more storage.